Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to update Call of Duty Mobile without the Play Store. There are times when you might need to update the game directly, perhaps due to regional restrictions, or if you're experiencing issues with your usual app store. The primary way to do this is by manually downloading and installing the game's APK file. It's a straightforward process, but it's crucial to always prioritize safety and download from reliable sources to protect your device. Now, let's talk about finding the right update files. You'll need to search online for the latest Call of Duty Mobile APK and its corresponding OBB data file. It's highly recommended to use well-known Android gaming websites or trusted forums for these downloads. Before proceeding, always verify that the version number of the files you're downloading matches the game's most recent release. Also, make sure your device has at least 2 GB of free storage available for the installation. Once you have your files, the installation is next. Before you start, you'll need to enable install from unknown sources in your device's security settings. This allows your phone to install apps not from the Play Store. Then, simply locate and tap on the downloaded APK file to begin the installation. After the APK is installed, you'll need to move the OBB data folder into the correct Android directory, usually found at android/ob/com. Activision Call of Duty Shooter. After installation, it's time to verify everything. Launch Call of Duty Mobile to confirm that the update was successful and the game runs smoothly. You can usually check the game's version number within its in-app settings. If you encounter any issues like crashes or errors, try clearing the game's cache and data first. For more persistent problems, a complete reinstall of the game, following these steps again, often resolves them. Enjoy playing the updated game.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.